Hello everyone. We pass through the topic electron gain enthalpy. Next topic electronegativity. It is represented by symbol chi and definition of electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract the shared electron pair towards itself in a covalent bond is called electronegativity. If two atoms are bonded by a covalent bond, then the atom which attracts more the shared electron pair towards itself is said to have higher electronegativity. For example, in HCl, the electronegativity of chlorine is higher. It deals with atoms in molecules while electron gain enthalpy deals with isolated gaseous atoms. Electronegativity is not a measurable quantity. It is calculated from the values of bond energy. It is called Pauling scale. Other scales are Mulliken, Jaffe scale, and Allred scale, etc. The electronegativity values of the element was calculated chi A minus chi B is equal to 0.1017 under root delta, where delta is equal to E A attached with B minus under root E A attached with A into E B attached with B. Here E A attached with B, E A attached with A, and E B attached with B are the bond dissociation energies of the bonds A attached with B, A attached with A, and B attached with B respectively. Bond dissociation energies are taken in kilojoule per mole. Again repeat my sentence. Bond dissociation energies are taken in kilojoule per mole. Next, the electronegativity of an element depends upon the following factors: Now first state of hybridization. Carbon atom may be present in sp hybridization, sp2 and sp3 hybridization state. Under such conditions, the electronegativity of carbon decreases in the order sp hybridization is greater than sp2 hybridization and sp2 hybridization is greater than sp3 hybridization. It is true for other elements also. Second, oxidation state of the element. The electronegativity of ferric and ferrous ion is 1.96 and 1.83 respectively. Thus, greater is the oxidation state of the element, greater is its electronegativity. Again repeat my sentence. Thus, greater is the oxidation state of the element, greater is its electronegativity. Third, nature of the substituents attached to the atom. Electronegativity depends on the element to which it is bound. For example, in ammonia, the nitrogen atom acquires negative charge, whereas in NF3, the nitrogen atom acquires positive charge. It is because nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen, but nitrogen is less electronegative than fluorine. Similarly, the carbon atom in CF3I acquires more positive charge than in CS3I. Variation of electronegativity in periodic table. First, variation in group. Electronegativity decreases on moving down the group. Again repeat, electronegativity decreases on moving down the group. It is due to the increase in atomic size and increase in screening effect of inner shell electrons. Second, variation in period. Electronegativity of representative elements increases on moving from left to right across a period. It is due to the decrease in atomic size and increase in nuclear charge. Students, do you know what is the meaning of representative elements? S and P block element is called as representative elements. Again repeat. Variation in period. Electronegativity of representative elements increases on moving from left to right across a period. It is due to the decrease in atomic size and increase in nuclear charge. Some facts about electronegativity. First, fluorine has highest and cesium has lowest electronegativity. Fluorine has highest and cesium has lowest electronegativity among all the known elements. Second, elements having higher value of ionization enthalpy and more negative electron gain enthalpy generally have high electronegativity. Third, elements with a small size generally have high value of electronegativity. Next, if a graph is plotted between atomic number and electronegativity of the elements, a curve is obtained in which halogens are present at peaks and alkali metals are present at trough. Inert gases do not form covalent bonds. Again repeat, inert gases do not form covalent bonds. Application of electronegativity. First, metallic and non-metallic character. Greater is the electronegativity, greater the non-metallic character. Again repeat, greater is the electronegativity, greater the non-metallic character. For halogen, non-metallic character decrease in the order. Fluorine is greater than chlorine, chlorine is greater than bromine, and bromine is greater than iodine. Smaller is the electronegativity, greater is the metallic character. Thus, metallic character increase in the order. In case of carbon, boron, beryllium and lithium, lithium is greater than beryllium and beryllium is greater than boron and boron is greater than carbon. Fluorine with the highest electronegativity of 4 is the most non-metallic elements, and cesium with the lowest electronegativity of 0.7 is the most metallic element. Again repeat, fluorine with the highest electronegativity of 4 is the most non-metallic element, and cesium with the lowest electronegativity of 0.7 is the most metallic element. Second, polar and non-polar bonds. A bond between two similar atoms is non-polar. This is because the shared pair of electrons is equally attracted by the two atoms as the electronegativity of the atoms is the same. For example, S2, Cl2, O2 and N2. When the electronegativity of the two atoms forming a bond is different, the shared pair of electrons is attracted more towards the more electronegative element atom. Therefore, the more electronegative atom acquires a partial negative charge and the less electronegative atom acquire a partial positive charge. As a result, two poles are developed and the molecule is said to be polar. For example, HF, HCl, HBr and HI. For example, polar and non-polar. Polar means HF. In HF, electronegativity of hydrogen is less than comparison of fluorine and represent delta plus and delta minus. But in case of H2 and Cl2, Cl bond Cl, same element and these molecule is non-polar. Electronegativity is very important. Next topic, periodic trends in chemical properties. Again repeat. Next topic, periodic trends in chemical properties. In next video. Thank you.